The source of a deadly outbreak is determined, plus the FDA to require laws for food allergy warnings. These health stories are next on GTD. Hello everyone, you've reached GetTheDaily.com's health update. I'm Dana Ward. The source of a deadly food contamination has been identified, according to Canadian health food officials. A recent listeriosis outbreak that had been linked to 4 deaths, 21 confirmed cases, and possibly 30 more cases is linked back to Maple Leaf Foods plant in Toronto. The Canadian company expanded the recall of its meat products over the weekend, and the Public Health Agency expects the number of reported cases to continue increasing because symptoms of the disease can remain dormant for up to 70 days after bacterial infection. The rare foodborne illness is most dangerous to the elderly, pregnant women, and people with compromised immune systems. Regular treatment of the disease is a dose of antibiotics. Health officials in Canada and the United States are in talks of creating legal standards for written food allergy warnings. Currently, these label cautions are voluntary, and officials say they are popping up on previously quote-unquote safe, non-allergenic products, causing many consumers to become confused and to ignore the labels altogether. The FDA plans to hold a public hearing on September 16th to help understand consumers and their needs. It's the first step towards developing new standards. About 12 million Americans have food allergies, and since 2006, a U.S. law has required companies to state when products contain highly allergenic ingredients. And one state is forcing overweight employees to pay $25 per month for insurance that is otherwise free. Alabama warned more than 37,000 workers 1 year ago of the change, and now it's approved. There are several steps to take before an employee is actually charged. According to the CDC, Alabama is the second most obese state in America, and it's the first state to charge overweight workers versus other states that give incentives to healthy workers. That's it for health news. Be sure to check back to Get the Daily for all of your news updates.